Have you ever wondered how your car manages to move smoothly, whether you're crawling in traffic or speeding down the highway? The secret lies in the transmission, a crucial component that connects your engine to the wheels. In this video, we'll break down how a car's transmission works, why it's so important, and what happens inside when you shift gears. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the magic happening under your car hood every time you drive. Transmission is a mechanical system that transfers power from the engine to the wheels. It allows your car to change speeds and move efficiently. Without a transmission, your engine would only be able to operate at one speed, making driving nearly impossible. Think of it as the middleman that ensures your engine's power is delivered smoothly and effectively to the road. Your car's engine generates power by burning fuel, but it doesn't produce usable force for the wheels directly. Instead, the engine spins at high speeds, and this rotational energy needs to be adjusted for different driving conditions. That's where the transmission comes in, converting the engine's output into usable torque and speed for the wheels. There are two main types of transmissions, manual and automatic. In a manual transmission, the driver selects gears using a clutch and gear stick. In an automatic transmission, the car shifts gears on its own using sensors and hydraulic systems. Both types serve the same purpose but operate differently, offering unique driving experiences. Gears are the heart of the transmission. They come in different sizes and are arranged to provide various gear ratios. Lower gears give more torque for starting and climbing hills, while higher gears allow for faster speeds with less engine effort. By changing gears, the transmission matches the engine's output to the driving situation. In manual transmissions, the clutch is essential. It temporarily disconnects the engine from the transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly. When you press the clutch pedal, it disengages the engine so you can shift without grinding gears. Once you release the pedal, the engine reconnects and power flows to the wheels again. Automatic transmissions use a torque converter instead of a clutch. This device connects the engine to the transmission and manages gear changes automatically. Sensors monitor speed and load, and hydraulic systems shift gears at the right time, making driving easier, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Gear ratios determine how many times the engine turns for each turn of the wheels. Lower gears have high ratios, giving more torque for acceleration. Higher gears have low ratios, allowing for efficient cruising at high speeds. The transmission switches between these ratios to balance power and efficiency. When you shift gears, whether manually or automatically, the transmission changes which gears are engaged. This process adjusts the torque and speed sent to the wheels. Smooth gear changes are crucial for comfortable driving and to prevent wear on the transmission components. Transmission fluid is vital for keeping the system cool and lubricated. It reduces friction, prevents overheating, and ensures smooth operation. Regularly checking and changing your transmission fluid can extend the life of your transmission and keep your car running smoothly. Transmissions can develop issues over time, such as slipping gears, delayed shifting, or strange noises. These problems often result from worn parts or low transmission fluid. Addressing issues early can prevent costly repairs and keep your car safe on the road. Proper maintenance is key to a healthy transmission. This includes regular fluid checks, timely servicing, and addressing any warning signs promptly. Following your car manufacturer's recommendations can help avoid major breakdowns and ensure a long lifespan for your transmission. Today's cars feature advanced transmissions like continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, and dual clutch systems. These innovations offer smoother performance, better fuel efficiency, and improved driving dynamics. As technology evolves, transmissions become even more reliable and efficient. Electric vehicles often use simpler transmissions, sometimes with just a single gear. Since electric motors deliver instant torque, they don't require multiple gears like traditional engines. This simplicity makes electric cars more efficient and reduces maintenance needs. Transmission is truly the heart of your car's motion, seamlessly connecting the engine's power to the wheels. Whether you drive a manual, automatic, or electric vehicle, understanding how your transmission works can help you appreciate the engineering behind every drive. Take care of your transmission and it will keep your journey smooth for years to come.